Welcome to an up-and-coming community just north of Sacramento and south of Yuba City. Welcome to Plumas Lake, California. This property behind me is located at 1269 Kensington Drive. This home was built in 2007. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath with paid solar. Not to mention, this whole community is developing. We have new homes to the left, new homes to the right, new homes in front of us. This is going to explode eventually. You got to take a look.